Welcome to dptutorials. By creating hyperlinks to each worksheet, you can simply jump to specific sheets and enhance your productivity. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to create a list of hyperlinks to all worksheets in your Excel workbook. Let's get started. First, open the Excel workbook for which you want to create hyperlinks to all the worksheets. Insert a new worksheet in this workbook. In the first column of this worksheet, enter the names of each worksheet in your workbook, then select each workbook name one by one, right-click, choose Hyperlink from the context menu and go to Place in this document tab and specify the link destination as the corresponding worksheet. Once you're done, you can format them by changing the font, adding borders or applying cell formatting options. Now let us see the easiest method by using the VBA code. I will go to the VBA editor window, insert a new module, type the VBA code like this. You can directly copy and paste the code which has been mentioned in the description for your reference. Go back to the Excel workbook and run the macro. You will see a new worksheet which contains all the hyperlinks to all the worksheets like this. It's very quick and easy, right? So by following these steps, you can easily navigate through workbook and save time while accessing different worksheets. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful Excel tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.